Welcome to Disney's Video Book.
Hi, my name is Billy. Achoo! I'll never become a pollen picker if I can't overcome my allergies. Achoo! 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 I sound like a choo-choo train. Maybe I should give up? Elder B gives Billy some advice.
Well, you can give up or you can get going and try harder.
Huh?
If it is what you really want, you have to work for it.
Elder B asks,
Do you like honey?
Billy answers, Yes, every bee likes to eat honey. Elder B continues,
Well, honey is made from pollen. We pollen pickers have a very important job. The hive would not have enough food if it wasn't for us.
Oh, how can I stop sneezing so I can become a pollen picker? Maybe I should give nose plugs a try. Achoo! The plugs don't work! Billy sees the beekeeper getting honey from the hive. Billy gets an idea. He makes a mask. Billy can't wait to try it out. Billy flies to a flower. He breathes in. He doesn't sneeze. The mask works. Today is a big race to see who gets to become pollen pickers. There are lots of bees trying out for the pollen picker jobs. There are big bees, little bees, fat bees, and thin ones. The bees hurry from flower to flower to see who can gather the most pollen. And the winner is Billy Bee! Billy likes picking pollen. Billy overcomes his allergies to be the best he can be. He gets lots of honey too. We can all be like Billy and overcome obstacles in our own lives.
The ebook Bee's Knees is available on Google Play. See the catalog for more Alfred books. Over 2 million free Alfred ebooks have been downloaded. Printed copies are also available on Amazon.